Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging both AirPod 2 and its case. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open the case lid next to your phone and wake Bluetooth. On iPhone, pairing appears automatically. On Android, press the rear setup button and select the device. You should see a connection animation or confirmation. Make sure to accept any prompts. If you use multiple devices, enable automatic switching in settings, or manually select AirPods from the Bluetooth list to force a connection. Once paired, customize controls. Open Bluetooth settings and assign double-tap actions like play, next, or Siri. This makes everyday use faster. You should also check microphone routing and audio balance in accessibility or sound settings, because uneven audio hides issues early. Test with a call and a song. Press the assign tap pattern to confirm behavior. If one bud feels low, clean the mesh gently and retest. You want consistent audio and reliable input before relying on them. To finish, confirm firmware and device OS are up to date, and check battery status on screen so you avoid sudden drops. If you notice intermittent audio, latency, or single-sided sound, reset the AirPods. Hold the setup button until the LED cycles amber and then white, then repair. You should also clean contacts and mesh carefully. If problems persist, test with another phone to isolate whether the issue is the AirPods or your original device. This saves wasted troubleshooting time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.